Swarm robotics and automated fluid terminal inspections. In fluid terminal management, precision, safety, and uptime are everything, yet traditional inspection methods still rely heavily on manual labor, creating risks, delays, and data gaps, but that's about to change. Welcome to the era of swarm robotics, a groundbreaking approach where fleets of autonomous microrobots collaborate in real time to inspect, analyze, and report conditions with unmatched singular, centralized systems. Swarm robots mimic biological collectives, like bees or ants, distributing tasks, self-organizing, and adapting to dynamic inside and around storage tanks, pipelines, and sensitive. Each unit is equipped with advanced sensors, thermal, ultrasonic, chemical, and visual. They form a live inspection grid, capturing microfailures, leak-prone seams, and corrosive buildup before the swarms are controlled through a decentralized AI framework, meaning if one robot fails, others recalibrate instantly. The result? Zero downtime and an intelligent feedback loop for predictive maintenance. What once took hours or days can now be achieved autonomously in a fraction of the time, without ever putting human inspectors at risk. Swarm robotics isn't just a tech trend, it's the new benchmark for operational excellence in fluid terminal inspections, faster insights, safer operations, and management driven by the collective intelligence of